Perfect, perfect. I've been watching Kozak videos. My hair is finally healthy, man. Go. All right, off to bed. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god. Damn, that's messed up. How how long were you right there? Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. You got bigger problems. You got bigger problems on your hands, like your hair. Yeah, I'm be honest, gang. You might as well cut all that off.
Oh
Like,
my
I'm not gonna
God.
lie, mud. Like, you good? Like, you're cooked. Like, you might as well cut all your hair off. Matter of fact, you have a hair, might as well be illegal.
Oh my
That
God.
shouldn't even be a thing. Like, I'm be real with you. Your hair looks so crazy right now. It don't even look like you take care of your hair. It's crazy. I ain't never seen nothing like this in my entire life. Like, it's cool and all. Like, everything's fun and games until you have to take your bonnet off. Like, you might as well just cut it all off. Just get you a Haitian classic. You know what I'm saying? Get you a skittle diddle. You know what I'm saying? Get you a nice milk dud cut. You might as well just shave all your hair off, cause that's absolutely outrageous. I'm not gonna lie. You look crazy, like crazy, like oh my gosh, like I almost want to cry. Like you finna cry or whatever. That's cool and all, but like I almost want to cry having to look at this. Like it's wild. And don't even ask me how I got in this bathroom. I don't even, you don't even know who I am, where I came from, none of that. Just like that's insane. Like nah, don't be looking at them for help. I'm talking to you. I'm talking straight directly to you. Yeah, you're cooked. You need some help. I'm not gonna lie, like that's wow. Like I ain't never seen nothing like that before ever. So yeah, I'm gonna pray for you. I'm gonna keep you in my spirit. Cause honestly, if you've ever woken up with flat, dry, matted hair that's just stuck to the side of your head when you first wake up in the morning, trust me, you're not alone. We've all been there, even the women. You spent all your time getting your curls to look good just so you can go to bed to wake up looking like you got attacked by your pillowcase in the middle of the night. Like you genuinely was fighting for your life and you lost. Luckily for you, in this video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to stop that from happening and how you can quickly fix it when it does happen. We're talking about hydration, protective styles, and the right way to revive your curls in the morning. Now, let's get straight into it. Alright, let's start off with how to avoid waking up with flat hair. So, the key to not waking up with your hair looking a straight flat mess is to avoid letting your hair get flattened in the first place. I'm talking about hydration and putting your hair in a style that's protective. First off, before bed, you have to hydrate your hair. Your hair tends to lose a lot of hydration during the time that you sleep. So you're gonna wanna keep in moisture overnight. The best way to do this is to hydrate your hair right before you go to bed. I suggest using a leave-in conditioner that's lightweight, but also milky in a way. You don't wanna put something like a butter in your hair because one, that's gonna be too heavy and also it's gonna be difficult for your hair to absorb. You want something that's almost water-like, so milky. Start off by applying a bit of water to your hair. No, you don't want to run your head under the shower. You'll be soaking your hair and we don't want to do that. Instead, I recommend using a light mist spray bottle. This is a spray bottle that lightly and gently mists water straight into your hair. By misting, it helps it to evenly get distributed and allows you to not apply way too much. After applying a bit of water, you're good to apply your water-like cream or conditioner into your hair. One of my favorite lightweight conditioners that I use, especially during the nighttime, is Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Conditioner. This is a watery light cream conditioner that's very lightweight and super great when it comes to being absorbed by your hair.
It's made of high quality ingredients, and the best part is that it's actually pretty affordable. So if you don't currently have a high quality, lightweight leave-in conditioner, I highly suggest grabbing this for nighttime. I'll leave a link to it down in my description below, as well as where you can grab the spray bottle. Okay, so this next step is even more important than applying the conditioner in the first place. You have to seal in the moisture. Now, you should know this by now, but if you don't, I'll repeat it. You want to apply a high quality hair oil on top of the conditioner to seal it all in so that that moisture can actually stay in your hair throughout the entirety of the night. I recommend using one of these two oils. First up, Wild Growth Hair Oil, a fan favorite, and one that a lot of people have had success with. It's a blend of a bunch of different oils and ingredients, so you're not really missing out on anything. You're getting a little of everything. Or one of my new favorites, the Main Attraction Rosemary plus Fenugreek Oil. Now this oil has two super high quality ingredients, which is rosemary and fenugreek combined to create a 1-2 punch combo of hair growth. On top of that, this is a little lighter weight than Wild Growth, so if you don't like how thick Wild Growth is, you're definitely gonna love this. Either way, whatever oil you decide to go with, it's important to apply oil straight on top of your conditioner to seal it in so that your hair can hold that moisture in throughout the entirety of the night. Alright, now that we have moisture down, let's talk about actually protecting your hair overnight. Now the main reason that your afro hair gets flat on the sides at night is just because you sleep on it. You toss and turn, you shift and dip, you do everything in the book. So it makes sense that your hair gets flat and matted to the side of your head. Kinkier hair textures aren't like straighter hair textures that you can just wake up in the morning and your hair be fine. Your hair has curls and kinks, and you gotta remember it on top of that defies gravity. It literally just sticks straight up. Doesn't even make any sense. So you have to treat your hair a little different than other people. The best way to avoid this is simply by putting your hair in some sort of protective style. Now, you can either lightly braid your hair, you can loosely put twist in your hair, but I know a lot of you probably don't know how to do that yourselves. So the very next best thing is to simply split your hair into sections and put your hair into a ponytail. What you're gonna do is part your hair into 4 separate sections. Then you're gonna take a hair tie, preferably one that's silk or satin. I highly recommend you do not do this tightly. Make sure it's very loose on your head. Adding too much stress or strain on your hair will do nothing good for it but cause hair damage in the future or a receding hairline. This is why it's important to make sure that your hair ties are very, very loose. You don't want it to be stressful on your hair at all. The purpose of this is to simply move your hair from the side of your head more to the top of your head so that when you do shift and turn, it isn't matting your hair down. Then in the morning, you're just gonna take these out, add a little bit of moisture to your hair with that spray bottle, maybe add in a conditioner, shake your hair, and you're gonna be good. Your hair won't be matted to the side of your head and you're looking crazy trying to figure out where you went wrong. The reason that this works is because your hair is a lot stronger than it is just loosely apart when you band it together. So by either braiding, twisting, or just simply banding your hair together, you're gonna help to get that out of the way and keep your hair looking good when you first wake up in the morning. Lastly, let's talk about protecting your hair while you are in bed. We've talked about putting your hair in a protective style. We talked about hydrating your hair. Now it's time to actually protect your hair. You see, your hair does lose a lot of moisture while you sleep. And one of the main reasons is because of the way that you sleep. Sleeping on a cotton pillowcase does nothing but absorb the moisture straight out of your hair. So what you should do instead is to simply sleep with a satin or silk pillowcase. This is going to be significantly better than using a cotton pillowcase. I use one myself. On top of that, what you want to do is also be sure to use a bonnet or a do-rag. After banding your hair together, putting it in twist or braids, you can toss a bonnet on top of it, and that's going to be significantly better for your hair than just leaving it out. Or if your hair is in cornrows, you can just put a do-rag on and go to sleep like that. That's going to help your hair to hold in moisture and also help you to prevent your hair from being flat in the mornings. If you've ever slept on your twist and your twist just end up flat and all messed up, this is one of the main reasons why. So all in all, make sure that you're moisturizing your hair properly at night, you're putting your hair in some sort of protective style, and lastly, make sure you're sleeping with a silk or satin pillowcase or bonnet. By doing all 3 of these steps, I can almost guarantee you won't have flat hair in the morning and it won't look like someone ran over your head with a truck. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. And if you're new to the channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe with the bell so that you can stay notified. You care about your hair and this channel is all about it, so subscribe and turn on post notifications to get more hair related tips. Lastly, do you have any other tips or did I miss anything? Drop a comment down in the comment section below and I'll be sure to get back to you. It'll also be helping out the community. And really quickly, send this video over to somebody who really needs it. If their hair is always flat in the morning, send them this. You might just be saving their entire life. Seriously. Really quickly, I'd like to announce that I started a new channel. It's called Kozak Vlogs. On this channel, you can see uncut, raw, exclusive footage that you wouldn't normally see on this one. Here's a little preview.
You're scaring my subscribers, okay? You're scaring
I'm
me.
trying to tell them the truth.
Listen.
I'm trying to help them.
Look. You're scaring them.
If you give a homeless man money or anything like that, he's not putting it to good use.
Oh my God.
You gotta acknowledge that shit. You gotta acknowledge it.
Oh
He's
my
not putting
God.
it to good use. So just know you giving him money so he can do bad shit. But that's okay. Cause he ain't got nothing else to do. He ain't got nothing else to do.
Oh my God, bro. You're scaring my subscribers. Like, what if one of my subscribers homeless and they watching this right now?
He's gonna be like, that's the goddamn truth. Preach, brother. I know that's what he gonna say. And they got.
If you like this type of content, make sure you head over there and subscribe. I'll leave the link down in the description below. But yeah, that's all the time that I have for you guys today. I'm Kozak, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Peace out.